the globe is are going to underway unrest situation. Across the world, people are the environment is aware, decline environment, people to people quarrel, people to people are attack one another. The distraction situation are move on gradually or escalating day by day. People are being concerned as far as. Amid that, Donald Trump announced the ceasefire between Israel and Iran, but that was friction. After some times, Iran attacked to the airbase of USA in Middle East, and as well as the attack to Israel. Israel also retaliated to the Iran after Donald Trump announced or proclaimed the ceasefire. So, in global, anybody not to aware of Donald Trump, anybody not want to obey the Donald Trump word. You can say Iran not listen, China not listen, Russia not listen, Israel not listen. Only one man, Elon Musk not listen, except Pakistan Asim Munir. Only Asim Munir, he is very loyal to Donald Trump. He said, I love Donald Trump. Donald Trump also said, I love Pakistan. Actually, Donald Trump expand his business to Pakistan in the way of his son. So that's actually Donald Trump want to love only for business, love only for money, love only for tariff. Which country is most necessary to Donald Trump? He must appreciate that. He must try to love this country. Because in present time he loves Pakistan for that reason. You know, USA is such a country who is doing actually USA, they destroy many countries like Iraq, Iran, Libya. They destroy also Bangladesh also. Because you know, last 1 year, how unrest situation is going on in Bangladesh, how destructive situation are being happened. Many temples, the Murti of Mujibur Rahman also being destroyed by the Muslim radicalism to create debris. Especially for the hooks and crooks of USA. That's the USA movement to across the world. Actually, here is a thinking that Donald Trump is very fictional. Anybody not want to his word. And you know, today Donald Trump also spoke a very important point. That Donald Trump spoke when Second World War was happened in the meantime. When the war was not to be stopped yet, at that time USA hit Japan to destroy two cities. Everybody know 6 August and 9 August. Hiroshima and Nagasaki town are totally destroyed, being debris by USA nuclear attack. This was the first time nuclear attack happened in Japan by the USA. And Donald Trump today spoke that after nuclear attack, the war was totally being stopped. So that's why USA attacked to Iran. According to Donald Trump's speech, USA attacked to Iran and after that declared ceasefire. So according to Donald Trump, if you want to stop the war, there have a most hit out, a mountaining gigantic hit out to be here, and after that you can stop this incident, you can stop the war according to the Donald Trump speech. In this context, Donald Trump literally hit out to the Iran and he demand to that in Iran they have totally destroyed the three nuclear power center and nuclear element, as well as destroy the uranium. But Iran actually proclaimed that nothing happened to be destroyed in our power center, in our nuclear center, because we have a assessment, we have a thinking that USA in any time they can attack to Iran. In this context, in previous we displaced our nuclear element according to the Iranian government. So there have many things. Actually USA want to try another logic, but in present there happened another logic. USA want to try that Ayatollah Khamenei, who is the most radicalism, who is the long-standing terrorist activity doing. In this context, we want to destroy the Ayatollah Khamenei. This logic had been stand by the USA government or Donald Trump. In this context, before attack, Donald Trump spoke that, but after attack, Donald Trump spoke that Iran want to nuclear research and to be hit out Israel or anywhere. In this context, we totally destroy the Iran power center. So there have a simultaneously and continuously to speech down by the Donald Trump or speech change by the Donald Trump, and in this context anybody not to be trust Donald Trump. Even his government in present Tulsi Gabbard, he also spoke there have not any nuclear weapon in Iran. She also spoke. Actually Donald Trump always spoke there would have a regime change in Iran. In this context, there have a activity by the USA and a strong activity only for regime change and Iran, and to be destroyed the Ayatollah Khamenei regime according to the Donald Trump.